Hi, my name is Silent Gimmon, and I'm the owner of the trustisyou.com and a podcast called Stop Paying Capital Gains Now with an exclamation mark. The reason I am doing this is because I found out about the Spendthrift Trust that can save you on federal taxes. I'm saving money, and I want to help as many people to save their money too. This trust is legal, patented in the IRS Tax Code, and has gone in front of the US Supreme Court twice. Both times, the Supreme Court has honored in favor of the trust, saying it can do business on its behalf and that it cannot be sued. You can't get much more legal than this. So, a little bit of history about the trust. It does come from England, way back when King Henry VIII was chopping off his wives' heads. He started the Church of England. He went to go tax the lords and ladies of England, and they went even further back into history to the Magna Carta. I don't know that I do know the dates, but I'm not going to tell you because I transpose numbers. I'm dyslexic, so you can Google this. So this is legal from centuries ago, has come over to the colonies of the United States before we were the United States. The law firm I work on behalf of has a trust they've inherited that is turning 350 years old this year, 2023. This is the same trust the Rockefellers and US presidents and other rich people use. I know you've never heard of it. 97% of the trusts in the United States sold by CPAs and attorneys only avoid going through probate when someone dies. It's called a family trust, and after the last person who's the trust or trustees, after that last person dies, that trust dissolves and all the money is dispersed. It does not save you on taxes. It does not keep your information private, and it does not keep you from paying judgments if you're sued. By the way, the Spendthrift Trust does those three things. Saves you on federal taxes year after year after year. You're going to defer these taxes as long as you have the trust. Now, you'd be crazy if you paid for the trust up front and then canceled it. Maybe you will, maybe you won't. If you do cancel that trust, all those taxes come back. If you keep the trust just like the Rockefellers for 7 generations, it's going to save you taxes with over 400 people under the umbrella of the one EIN number, the Spendthrift Trust. Now, I split the trust in two. There's the business trust for 1099 income earners. I don't care if you're a real estate agent, if you're a 1099 affiliate marketer or MLM marketer, if you're a salesperson, or if you're running your own store being paid 1099. You will save up to 70% and more with the Business Spendthrift Trust. I say 70% so you don't get annoyed with me, but most of my clients are saving more than that. The beneficial trust is for all investors. If you are a passive investor, a real estate investor, a crypto miner, stock market investing, doing options trading, forex trading, if you are doing anything with royalties, you're an artist, a songwriter, an actor, an actress, have mineral rights, or if you're in the NFT world, NFT real estate, NFT crypto, or NFT artwork. This is going to save you thousands of dollars. Now, one of my clients, we're in a real estate group together. He saw my presentation I made to the real estate group, and he's just like, I'm selling 49 shares of my company. What can you do for me? So what we were able to do was he started up the trust back at May 18th. He filled out the 5-page application, sent it back in. He got the EIN number. He set up a bank account, and then he set up change the operating agreement. So instead of his name on the operating agreement, he switched it to the trust name on the operating agreement. When his partners bought his 49 shares, that money went into the new bank accounts, and he saved a cool $100,000 in capital gains on that one transaction. Now, he's got to decide if he's going to put his all his real estate. He's got commercial and single family homes. If he's going to put his vehicles into the trust, if he's going to make his children beneficiaries of the trust, he's in charge. He can do whatever he likes. If I can help you save 1099 income with the business trust or with the beneficial trust, capital gains, short-term or long-term, interest income, if you're a passive investor, a forex investor, by the way, you get taxed twice, interest income and capital gains. If you're doing the BRRRR strategy, or if you have notes like I do, that's interest income. Dividend income, if you're in the stock market, if you're doing stock options, if you're doing day trading, futures trading, you're going to pay dividend income on any of your profits or have the Spendthrift Trust. Rental income. I know you can take depreciation, but I am working with a gentleman who is a partner in 5 apartment buildings. He doesn't get to take the depreciation. Somebody else takes the depreciation, he just gets a fifth of the rental rolls. Still makes a heck of a lot of money. So that's why he's got the trust. By the way, it's going to keep your information private and keep you from being paying any judgments if you get sued. So even if you do have rental income, there's other things to think about. All your renters might have a dog who bites the mailman. Royalties. If you are an author, an artist, a songwriter, a playwright, have mineral rights on your land. One of my clients has inherited his granddad's horse farm with 6 oil wells. That goes through the Spendthrift Trust. Or if you're in the NFT world, NFT crypto, NFT real estate, or NFT artwork. If I can help you save federal taxes legally year after year after year, my name is Sally Gimmon. The website is thetrustisyou.com. My podcast is Stop Paying Capital Gains Now with an exclamation mark, so you can find it. And then finally, on Monday evenings, 8 p.m. East Coast time, I do a live Q&A where I go over my slide deck and then open it up for questions. If you would like to come to this, please let me know. Please register for it. It's a free program. My entire belief is I'm saving money. Yay, Sally. But I don't want to make this all about me. I want to help as many other people out there know about this. Maybe you won't buy the trust, but you need to know that there is options out there for you. Maybe you tell a friend or a family member or somebody you know at church. I also pay a referral fee. So if I can help you either get a second stream of income, save 1099 income, save capital gains, rent, interest income, dividend income, rental income, or royalty income, please reach out to me, Sally Gimmon, thetrustisyou.com, or listen to my podcast and like it. Please like it. It's new. It's only got 25 episodes. Stop Paying Capital Gains Now. Thank you for listening. Have a wonderful week. Take care.